Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tiramisu in a cup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of strong brewed coffee, about 12 ladyfingers, and a dusting of cocoa powder. Having everything ready and at room temperature ensures a smooth, creamy dessert. Make sure your coffee is completely cooled before we begin assembling. Next, we'll create the luscious mascarpone cream. Carefully separate your 2 eggs, placing yolks in one bowl and whites in another. Whisk the yolks with 1/4 cup of sugar until they are light yellow and thick. In the other bowl, beat the egg whites with the remaining 1/4 cup of sugar until they form firm, glossy peaks. Now, gently fold the mascarpone into the yolk mixture, then carefully incorporate the stiff egg whites for an airy texture. Now for the fun part, assembling your individual tiramisu cups. Take your cooled coffee and quickly dip each ladyfinger, one by one, for just a second or two. Avoid over-soaking. Break the soaked ladyfingers into smaller pieces to fit snugly at the bottom of your cups. Spoon a generous layer of the mascarpone cream over the ladyfingers. Repeat these layers, ensuring you finish with a smooth, creamy top layer in each cup. Almost there. Once your cups are layered, cover each one tightly with plastic wrap. This prevents any odors from the refrigerator from affecting your dessert. Place them in the refrigerator to chill for a minimum of 4 hours, though overnight is truly ideal for the flavors to meld beautifully. Just before serving, remove the plastic wrap and dust each tiramisu cup generously with unsweetened cocoa powder. Enjoy your perfectly portioned, delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.